Hi everyone! Welcome back to our series on lesser-known tips for general healthcare. Some of them are really surprising. Yeah, not what you'd expect. This video is brought to you by Nissim International, makers of F.A.S.T shampoo, a special hair shampoo that boosts your hair growth rate by up to 99%.
If you're struggling to sleep at night, you might want to try listening to the sound of wild animals. According to a new study, people who listen to this type of sound before bedtime sleep better and report feeling more rested in the morning. There are several reasons why wild animal sounds may help you sleep better. One of the reasons is that it can help to alleviate stress and anxiety levels. Listening to calming music or nature sounds has been shown to lower blood pressure and heart rate, both of which can help you feel more relaxed. Sure, olive oil has some health benefits. But when you cook with it at high temperatures, those benefits start to disappear. In fact, cooking with olive oil at high temperatures can really develop some unhealthy compounds that can boost your risk of disease, which damage your cells and cause inflammation in your body. Eating grapefruit can be good for your health in various ways. This delicious fruit is packed with nutrients and antioxidants that can help boost your immune system, enhance your digestion, and even lower your risk of certain diseases. While more research is needed, some studies have proven that eating grapefruit may also help to moderate the risk of certain types of cancer, such as stomach and breast cancer. There are many benefits to massaging your shoulders, as it can help improve your circulation and promote good health. Touch is a powerful way to connect with someone, and massage can be a very relaxing and therapeutic experience. If you have tense muscles or are feeling stressed, massaging your shoulders can help to relieve some of the tension and improve your overall sense of well-being. That's why massaging your shoulders can also help enhance your circulation and contribute to good health.
These simple strategies improve oxygenation and your mood, help to balance your hormones, and reduce cortisol levels, all of which are good for your overall health as well as that of your hair. As a token of appreciation for our viewers' constant support, we thought about doing something for you by allowing you to try F.A.S.T shampoo for free. So don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get updates on our recent uploads and regular giveaways of individual sets of F.A.S.T shampoo. You don't want to miss out on that. It promises to be lots of fun. So let's keep the energy high. Hopefully this continual series about all the not so common things you can do to improve your hair health is inspirational enough to keep you going. Watch this space for a ton of advice on improving your general well-being, emotional well-being, and the relationship these things have with maintaining healthy hair. See you next time.